A very good morning to all of you. From today onwards, we will do the revision of your syllabus of final exams. So our first chapter for revision is chapter number 9, volume and nets of solids. So let's start this chapter. The first topic of this chapter is a cube. So what is a cube? A cube is made up of 6 square faces. What is face? So face of cube means this part. This is called face. So a cube have 6 faces, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 means 3 faces कहाँ हैं? ये आपके सामने जो दिख रहे हैं, और 3 faces behind the cube जो इसका अपोजिट होगा, then opposite of this face और opposite of this face. So total faces are 6. Then when 2 faces meet at an edge, so when these 2 faces meet at an edge, जहाँ पे जो ये 2 faces मिलते हैं उस पॉइंट को क्या बोलते हैं, उस लाइन को क्या बोलते हैं? एज. सो ऑल द एजेस ऑफ अ क्यूब हैव द सेम लेंथ. अब जो क्यूब होता है उसके जो सारे फेसेस होते हैं वो स्क्वायर होते हैं, और यू नो दैट स्क्वायर हैव सेम साइड्स मीन्स these all edges are also same. Then the next one is a cuboid. A cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces or 4 rectangular faces and 2 square faces. Means this is a cuboid. So 2 conditions are there. First, that these all 6 faces are rectangular, or 4 faces are rectangular and 2 faces are square. यहाँ पे 2 केसेस बन सकते हैं कि या तो आपके all 6 faces rectangular shape हों, या फिर 4 rectangular face होंगे and 2 faces are square. So I hope you understand the concept of cube and cuboid. The next is your turn. So fill in the blanks. A dice is in shape of a, so that dice of a game, सांप सीढ़ी, snake and ladder. In the game, that kind of dice is there. So a dice is in the shape of, so it is cubical shape, means the answer is Q. Then this box, this is matchstick box. So a box is in the shape of, so this is cuboidal shape. We can see that, see this is cuboidal shape box. The next is all the edges of a cube have the same. तो यहाँ पे एक क्यूब है और ये पूछा गया है कि क्यूब की सारी एजेस का सेम क्या होता है. सो ऑल द एजेस हैव द सेम लेंथ. Then the next is any object that takes up space is said to have. So कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो स्पेस लेता है, सो उस स्पेस उसको क्या बोलेंगे? दिस इज वॉल्यूम. मीन्स उसके पास क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड फिगर्स विद यूनिट क्यूब्स. सो फर्स्ट वन इज, this is a unit cube. A unit cube measures 1 unit by 1 unit by 1 unit. Its volume is 1 cubic unit. Here length equal to breadth equal to height equal to 1 unit. So first of all, what is a unit cube? So in a unit cube, suppose this is a cube. This is a cube. So this length means this is length, and this length is equal to 1 unit. After this is height, so it is also 1 unit, and it is breadth, so it is also of 1 unit. It means length equal to breadth equal to height equal to 1 unit, and a unit cube measures 1 unit by 1 unit by 1 unit. Means first of all, the basic is volume of cube. Volume of cube equal to length into breadth into height. But in case of cube, always length equal to breadth equal to height, so we can say that it is side multiply side multiply side, or side to the power cube. You can understand in easy language, side multiply side multiply side. So this unit is known as cubic unit. So when the measurements are 1 unit multiply 1 unit multiply 1 unit, so its volume is 1 cubic unit. Okay, the next is, second one is, the following cube and cuboid are built by using unit cubes. So the cube is made up of 8 unit cubes. This cube, this cube is made up of 8 unit cubes. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 means total 8. So here length equal to breadth equal to height is equal to 2 unit, because each cube is of 1 unit. So these total units are, this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, then 2 units, then 2 units. So volume of cube here is equal to 8 cubic units. Same in third case, the cuboid is made up of 3 unit cubes. So first one is, when we add 3 unit cubes, so its length equal to 3 units, but its height and breadth is equal to 1 unit. So when we use volume of cuboid is also length multiply breadth multiply height. So it is 3 multiply 1 equal to 3 cubic unit. Suppose here volume of cuboid, so it is also length multiply breadth multiply height. But as I said earlier, these length, breadth and height may be same or not. So in this case, the length is equal to 3 units, and breadth is 1 unit and height is 1 unit. So when we multiplied it, it is 3 cubic unit. Cubic means the power of 3. So when we multiply 3 units, so it is cubic unit. Now the following solids are built using unit cubes. Can different solids have the same volume? यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि different solids का same volume हो सकता है. तो yes, different solids का same volume हो सकता है. कैसे? Let's see. In the first case, solid A. This is solid A. So in this case, its volume is, first of all, there are number of cubes. So this is, these are 1 2 3 4 5 means 1 2, इसके नीचे भी एक होगा तो 3 4 and 5. Number of unit cubes are 5. So volume of solid A equal to 5 cubic unit, because the volume of a single cube is equal to 1 cubic unit. So when we multiplied it by 5, it is 5 cubic units. The next is solid B. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 squares, 6 unit cubes. 6 कैसे? 1, 2 और इसके जस्ट नीचे भी 2 होंगे और ये जो सामने दिख रहे हैं 2, तो टोटल 6 क्यूब्स. सो नंबर ऑफ यूनिट क्यूब्स इज इक्वल टू 6. देन इफ वही केस कि यदि एक क्यूब 1 यूनिट स्क्वायर 1 क्यूबिक यूनिट का है तो 6 क्यूब कितने के होंगे? 6 क्यूब्स का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड V इज इक्वल टू 6 cubic unit. Same, the next one is there are 6 cubes, so number of unit cubes is equal to 6. Hence volume of solid C is equal to 6 cubic units. In the next part, solid D, number of unit cubes is equal to 8, so the volume of solid D is equal to 8 cubic units. अब जैसा कि मैंने बताया था कि डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ सॉलिड जो होते हैं दे हैव सेम वॉल्यूम एज इन पार्ट बी इन सॉलिड बी एंड इन सॉलिड सी. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड बी इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड सी. बोथ आर सेम 6 cubic unit, but these shapes are different, so it can be same. So I hope you can understand this concept of cube and cuboid. तो यदि आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. और आज के लिए इतना ही. ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.